Alrighty guys, we're here at the Hilton Garden Inn and Homewood Suites here in Oklahoma City, Bricktown neighborhood. And over here, we have 3 ThyssenKrupp elevators for 11 floors. So let's go and take a ride. All 3 of them. Yes, we're going now. To 11. This one is a bouncy one. Here we are, 11. The brake though. Floor ThyssenKrupp single floors. Ooh, that thing was bouncy. All this button, single floor. There's the elevator cab. All those buttons.
Down on the first floor?
Yeah. Very bouncy for some odd reason. But these are quick still. Alrighty, setting up to 11. So we're getting in, right? Well,
we'll sit on them.
This could be this one. Alrighty, here it is. Jeez, these elevators are quick. That was delay right there. Ooh, bouncy. these are nice elevators. It's just weird that there's like literally like no ads of like home to suites. It's kind of weird.
Get out of here.
Yeah, we jump off of here. Send it on one. Here's a view. Not much, but you can see there's like a Sonic. There's the fancy bridge over there.
That's the baseball field right there.
Yeah, that's the baseball field over there. There's a Residence Inn, passport shops. Yeah, this is mostly Hilton Garden Inn, and there's like a little hallway to Homewood Suites.
Let's go see the hallway.
So here's the hallway. There's the numbers of the. So that's all Homewood Suites over there. Perfect timing. This is the one with the rear door. It's like the wing. But look at all these buttons here. Look at all these buttons. So many floor buttons. $11. So you have to enter like a code or something. It's kind of weird. That would just start beeping randomly. There's a synergy. That's definitely synergy. This one is capacity of 3,500. These are actually very nice elevators here. Actually, when the first service, the funny thing is, we actually booked this hotel on the Homewood Suite side, but they didn't have rolling showers, so they're like, oh, go ahead and book at the Hilton Garden Inn. Is that true?
Yep. They're very accommodating.
Yeah. So we just walked right next door, instead of having to drive.
It's really easy.
But I find this business center to be kind of sad. Look at this. You have this one long counter, but just one, there's one computer. See here, we have the Homewood Suites lobby, which is actually pretty nice.
Is that okay for you?
Doing great.
See, we have a pretty nice Homewood Suites lobby.
He is. He's filming, he's doing an elevator tour, or a hotel tour.
Okay, I see.
And then we have over here, it's the Hilton Garden Inn lobby. Yes, two separate lobbies, but they actually come and join into, look at this. They even have some merch of Oklahoma City. Here is the Hilton Garden Inn lobby. This is a much bigger lobby because they have a bar and all that. That's actually the state bird, for those who don't know. These are all the famous people in the ballpark, in the Bricktown neighborhood. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the elevators here. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.